First things first, WAR is a pure community-driven memecoin on Solana. No VC allocations, no pre-sale, no team tokens. It launched fairly on bonk.fun, a fair launch platform, with a fixed supply of 1 billion WAR, and every single token is in circulation. The narrative? Straight fire. It's all themed around real-world geopolitical tension. You know, global conflicts, resources, territorial strategy, just the whole war vibe that's totally dominating the headlines right now. Whether it's US-Iran tensions or honestly any other flashpoint, this coin rides the news cycle harder than any other meme out there right now. This migration really cleaned things up, and wow, the community rallied hard behind it. No website, no fancy roadmap, just pure meme energy and organic growth. That's exactly why it's catching fire. Look at these numbers. Price is 4 cents, 183, up 52% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is $41.6 million. And yeah, 24-hour volume, we're talking multi-millions flowing in. That's some seriously healthy liquidity for this cap. All-time high was 6.4 cents back on March 6th, so we're only about 35% off that level right now. Why is it pumping right now? 3 catalysts. First, real-world narrative alignment. Geopolitical headlines are everywhere, and honestly, WAR is the meme that perfectly captures the chaos. Second, successful contract migration. The community proved they're totally locked in. Old holders bridged over and, yeah, new money is flooding in. Third, Solana meme supercycle. We're in a phase where narrative coins with zero utility but maximum vibes are absolutely printing. WAR has that rare combo of timing and community strength. This isn't just some random pump and dump. The holder count has been climbing steadily, and sentiment on Twitter is 76% bull. Alright, let's talk charts like real analysts. On the 4-hour and daily time frame, we bounced hard off the 0.02679 low today. That's strong support formed after the last dip. We broke through the 0.035 resistance zone with conviction, and now we're testing 0.04375 as the new resistance. The RSI is climbing out of oversold territory but not yet overbought, so there's still some room to run. The MACD just flipped bullish, with strong histogram expansion. Support is at 0.02679, and resistance is at 0.04375. Alright, so, here are the key levels you should be watching. Immediate resistance sits between 4.5 and 5 cents. The next major target is 6.4 cents, which would be a retest of the all-time high. If we actually break out and clear that ATH, then, honestly, 10 to 15 cents is in play. That's a 3 to 4 times move from here. For aggressive traders, your stop-loss zone should be just below 3.2 cents. The chart, honestly, is screaming continuation if the volume keeps up like this. This isn't some random move. It's a textbook meme coin breakout pattern after a solid period of consolidation. When it comes to tokenomics, it really doesn't get any cleaner for a meme coin. There's a total supply of 1 billion, 100% is circulating. There are no taxes, and no dev wallet. Liquidity's on Raydium, so yeah, make sure to check the new contract address. Now, what about risks? Let's be real, this is still a meme coin. Extreme volatility is the norm. You could see fakeouts, and even external news could swing the price 30% in just a few minutes. Always size your position small. Never ape in with more than you can afford to lose. And of course, do your own research. This isn't financial advice. A little pro tip, add it to your watch list and set some alerts. Here's my expert take in mind. In the short term, like over the next 7 to 14 days, I see 6 to 8 cents as a really realistic target, assuming the geopolitical narrative stays hot and Solana keeps showing strength. For the medium term, which is the next 30 to 60 days, 12 to 20 cents is possible if we get a full meme supercycle leg. That's a 3 to 5 times move from where we are right now. Long term, honestly, it all depends on the community and whether they can keep the narrative alive. If they actually deliver on merch drops and solid marketing like they've hinted, this could totally become a top 100 Solana meme coin. But remember, memes live and die by hype, so you gotta stay disciplined. So, what do you think? Is WAR going to retest its all-time high this week? Drop your price targets in the comments. I actually read every single one. If you want more deep dives like this, next video's dropping soon on another trending Solana play. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.